Okay, so far we spent a lot of time to handling the array command, right? But one of the reason why this Excel and Visual Basic is really good for studying this programming language is the Excel sheet has this nice array in there. It's even just only two-dimensional, but most majority of our tasks can be done by two-dimensional, right? So why we worry about making these arrays? How about using these cells, right? Or the range of from this one, right? So inside our Visual Basic coding, we want to use the objects from this Excel worksheet or workbook. So in this task, it's just checking how we're gonna look at what is gonna be the name of it or something like that, right? So there are 4 different kind of objects. The first one is workbook, which means the title of or how many open or just using this Excel files you have, right? So right now it's a little bit different with the lecture note in our lecture note, right? With this one. So in here we the name of workbook is book 2, right? And inside this workbook we have worksheets, right? So up to 3, and this open one selected worksheet right now is worksheet number 3, right? Okay. And inside the worksheet, these are the ranges. So you can have only one cell for your range or many cells like this. Okay. So once again, workbook is an entire Excel file, and you could have many files like that, right? So it's a collection of workbooks, right? That could be your objects, right? And for each individual workbook, you have many worksheets, right? So one workbook is a collection of worksheets. You can imagine that way. Okay? And inside any worksheet, you could make range, which is going to be an object in there. Okay, so it's not a big deal and it's familiar. So we are going to use this kind of word when you make our code in Visual Basic, and we are going to check that one later.